Hi, this is Adelaide Trunker. I'm doing an assignment that my teacher, Miss Fleming, assigned me, the Paper Airplane Challenge. First, I'm going to be stating my question and hypothesis. My question is, some paper airplanes clearly fly better than others. Why is this so? One factor is the kind of design used to build a plane. Next is the hypothesis. My hypothesis is the longer the airplane, the furthest it will fly. Additionally, heavier the plane, less distance it will fly. Now I'm going to talk about the four forces that act on an airplane. Weight. Weight is the force of gravity. It acts in a downward direction to the center of the earth. It pulls the plane down. Lift. Lift is the force that acts at the right angle to the direction of motion through the air. Lift is created by differences in air pressure. Thrust is the force that propels a flying machine to the direction of motion. Engines produce the thrust for planes and for other flying machines. Drag. Drag is the force that acts opposite to the direction of motion. Drag is caused by friction and differences in air pressure. All forces acting on an airplane. When an airplane is flying straight and level at a constant speed, the lift it produces balances its weight, and the thrust it produces balances the drag. However, the balance of forces changes as the airplane rises and descends, as it speeds up and down as it turns. In this experiment, I have made 7 different airplanes, and I'm going to throw them 4 times from a marked line to determine which airplane type travels the farthest. Here are the airplanes I have made: the Blackbird, the Glider, the WRPA, acronym for World Record Paper Airplane, the Dart, the Jet, the paper airplane that looks like a real airplane, and the French Glider. On this sheet, I will record the distances I have thrown my paper airplanes on the boxes 1, 2, and 3, and 4. When I've finished writing the distances for all of them, on the last line of bars, I will see which paper airplane has flown the farthest. And that will be the answer to my hypothesis. The Jet is the winner. So I did a final round, and the Dart kept winning consistently, so they're both the winner. And also, these are both the longest planes I've made, which proves my hypothesis is correct. For my next hypothesis, I will be testing the Dart, this Dart, that Dart, and this Dart. So I'm going to test the small Dart. I'm doing this because I want to see how far the Dart will go, if the smaller one will go farther, or the bigger one will go farther, the lighter one will go farther, or the heavier one will go farther. Okay, let's get started. airplane flew the farthest, and the medium-sized paper airplane and the large and heavy-sized paper airplane flew the farthest in the darts.